realize I can see her the whole way. I'm sure she'll figure it out soon, though. I may be getting some high tides from this storm pushing in. Look at that. Just look at that. Public heads open here at the pavilion. We are here inside the public head at the Pleasure Pavilion in Plashes, right here by the beautiful city by the sea. And first, I need to point out that these are like my favorite bathrooms because they have doors, which is something that you don't always find in a public bathroom. Did not know that, but I'm coming to understand. But if you've never been to jail, I've never been to jail. I've always kind of wondered what it was like to sit on a jailhouse toilet. Now I know. Not pleasant. I mean, okay, right now it's not that bad. When it's cold, kind of bad. But still, 5 flushes, 5 out of 5 flushes for this one because this is my favorite public head. And it's right here by the beautiful sea. Very windy, but thought you needed. Why not? Still here at the Pleasure Pavilion, and I just shout out to this family because that is a lot of kids. Ooh. My kid is a preteen, and she's driving me crazy with the attitude. So I can only imagine 12, 13, 10, 9 months. Holy cow. Mommy and Daddy, I am sending you all the positive thoughts in the world right now. So, we're back in the head here in Plashes. And I was talking to some of the city workers. And I found out why the head is always closed. Because apparently, teenagers and other people, I guess we won't just say teenagers, but people who do not respect what we have like to come in and tear stuff up. They've had to replace light bulbs, which are kind of not easy change light bulbs. And then we have these over here. See how that one's out? They have to come in and fix that. And they're having to fix it rather often, so they keep it locked up. So, if you want to continue having a public head, don't mess it up. Take care of your surroundings. Pick up your trash. Don't be ghetto. It's easy. See you next time. Take care of each other. far up here. It's usually nice and hard up here, but oh, Athena's down there in the water. Turd. I think she is really enjoying being back with us here on the coast. Hoping everything works out okay. If you got any positive thoughts you would like to send, feel free to send them on to the History Rat so we can use all the positive vibes we can get. Hey, come on. Don't drink the water. Hey, don't go too far out. Tight. Stick. See the stick?